next challenger, so will you enter and sign in, please? Jerome Farber. Mr. Farber, where are you from?
Cherry Hill, New Jersey.
All right, panel. Jerome Farber's company has developed a product which we will all be glad to see come onto the market, and it's one which I'm not quite sure I believe. No, I do. But let's show the audience just what the product is. I'll repeat what I said because I interrupted it. He has developed a product which we will all be glad to see on the market, right? And we'll begin with Joanna Barnes.
Is this a product which would be used by both men and women?
That's possible.
Very likely, very likely.
Is this a product which would be used in the home?
No.
One down, Bert Conley.
Does this have anything to do with automobiles?
No, it doesn't.
Two down, Arlene.
Does it have anything to do with crime detection?
No.
Three down, Subi.
Does it have anything to do with communications of any kind?
No, it does not.
Four down, Joanna.
Well, it's used outside the home.
Yes.
Is it used outside, that is, without
No.
shelter? Inside something else?
Five down, Bert.
All right, now let's slow it down, gang.
Oh, let's keep going.
Get
This
down
is
to
fun.
business here. We've established that it's used outside the home. However, it is inside something else.
That's right.
Could I get on it or in it?
No.
Or I could.
Six down, Arlene.
Oh, we slowed it down.
Will it help in some way to improve the ecology of the country?
No.
Seven down, Subi.
Was it established? Did you say it had something to do with cars and you got to know?
It doesn't.
That's right.
Now we're looking for not ecology.
Why don't you find out if it comes in contact with the body?
Okay. I know when you ask me, does it come in contact with the body?
Yes, it does.
Ooh. When it comes in contact with the body, does it come in contact with the body from the waist up?
Yes, it does.
Does it come in contact with the body from the neck up?
Yes.
It comes in contact with some part of your face.
That's right.
How about, does it come in contact with your mouth?
Yes.
Does it ever go in your mouth?
Yes.
Does it have something to do with your teeth?
Yes.
Is it a thing that you brush your teeth with that you can't get
No.
cavities or?
No. Eight down,
No, it
Joanna.
Does it improve either the health or looks of the teeth?
Not directly, I think would be a better answer, right? Nine down, Bert.
Oh, I don't want to be the one to blow it here. I was the next thing. If it doesn't improve or help the health.
That isn't. I don't think that was clearly what was said.
Yes, he said. Or Joanna said, didn't she? That it does it protect? No, she didn't say
Does it
protect.
improve the health or looks of the teeth? I
Health
said.
or looks.
Indirectly. Only indirectly.
Only indirectly health or looks. So health is protection. Teeth.
Do you have a guess? Our time is
No, I don't.
Is it the thing that you don't have to use Novocaine and you don't feel it if it gives you a needle? In the gums and the teeth to operate with the drill, and it doesn't hurt at all because
That's
not gonna do it.
That's right.
That's right.
That's exactly right.
And finally, may I introduce you to Dr. Jerome Farber, who is president of the Electrodent Company, who have developed, here we go, a painless dentist drill. You're kidding, Doctor. You're not kidding. Okay, explain.
Well,
Please.
it's a relatively simple concept. Our dental drill has a miniature electric generator inside it. It produces a small electrical impulse that goes into the tooth and has an anesthetic effect on the dentist drill.
So when you're drilling, you no longer feel it.
There is a few patients will have some discomfort, but in the great majority of the cases, it's painless.
Is it now in general use?
It'll be introduced in several months to the profession.
If you have an extra brochure, I'll take it with me and give it to my dentist. So
Very good.
we'll get things going in the right direction at the right place. But
Very
Doctor,
good.
congratulations and thank you for joining
Thank you
us.
very much.
We'll be back to meet the mystery guest.